Welcome to the multinational school Dhahran. We opened our doors in August 2018 and are very proud of the successful education we have been able to deliver in the Eastern Province. We follow the national curriculum of England, more commonly known as the British curriculum.
I would have to say that we've got a very specialised curriculum. So we are not just book-based, we don't follow by structure of books. We pick, mix and match everything that we want to use for our children. We've got different abilities in each classroom, and it starts from where the students are in year 1 up to year 6.
In the Learning Support Department, we provide services to help students who may benefit from extra focus on the core subjects, English and math. We also use various support strategies to promote positive behavior in the school and classroom settings. We collaborate with all departments in the school to ensure that our students have the mainstream school experience while supporting their individual needs.
Our physical education program has a holistic approach. The dedicated and qualified staff ensure that the broad curriculum covers all the essential elements. The PE program helps our students develop skills needed for games, movement, and team sport. We also use our facilities in our multi-purpose hall to facilitate extramural program. Students are able to choose from a wide range of activities on offer. We celebrate diversity, and our school motto, Distinction in Diversity, is a clear indication of our aim to include students from all over the world. We are proud of our school community. We have students and staff from 27 countries, and these numbers are increasing.
The Cambridge curriculum focuses on the 4 main strands: biology, chemistry, physics, and scientific inquiry. The scientific inquiry is designed to underpin all content areas. The curriculum covers all the 7 areas of learning that are important for the intellectual, personal, social and emotional, and physical development of the children.
Technology for learning is one of Hargreaves' gateways to personalised learning, and essential to 21st century learning. At the multinational school Dhahran, ICT is an integral part of our curriculum, and our school is equipped with high-quality technology to keep our students abreast with global trends in education.
I am Dr. Qadoura, a BCBA candidate, the founder and the head of the Student Support Services Program at Multinational School Dhahran. Our program is unique because it has a significant impact on the children, family, society, and to the world overall.
في مدارس ذوي الأوطان المتعددة العالمية نطبق منهج وزارة التعليم في تدريس مواد الهوية، حيث تقدم مدارسنا مواد إجبارية في كلا المنهجين، وتشمل اللغة العربية والدراسات الإسلامية باللغتين العربية والإنجليزية.
I'm looking forward to meeting and engaging with you. Goodbye.
Gracias. Shukran. Thank you. Shukran.
Totsins.
Thank you. Bye. Gracias. Thank you.
Saijen.
Thank you. Shukran.
Ciao.
Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Per alam.
Ma salama. Goodbye.
Hamba kakhle.
Ma salama. Goodbye. Adios.
Doors Vindanya.